Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to another live. Hope everyone's doing well. Yesterday, we had quite a good day within the markets. We took some good setups. And yeah, today I want to speak about a couple. The first coin that I want to speak about today, though, guys, is XRP because I think a lot of people haven't really looked at this. I know I spoke about this a little bit yesterday in my video, but I don't think anyone's prepared to how big this breakout's going to be, right? It's literally on the verge of breaking out on the monthly time frame. Obviously, we have to wait a month, but guys, look how crucial we're sitting here. We've been consolidating for almost 7 years. So basically, I'm waiting for price. Obviously, I did buy some at these prices here for XRP. Because once this breaks out, we're looking at around about a 200% move. Okay, and you can see that on the RSI. It's also been consolidating, and you can see it's literally about to break out. Okay, so XRP is one of those coins that I do think that is probably just going to pump around about 100 to 200% within the next within like a day or something like that. You know, XRP can do that. So that is something to look at if you guys are looking to invest in a coin. I know XRP is a very slow coin, but even if you do a bit of a low leverage play on this, you should be good. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome. Mario, nice to see you. I was looking at HNT this morning when it was at 7.6, kind of missed it. Yeah, let's have a look at it. But yeah, XRP, don't sleep on this, guys. I wanted to start the show, start the live with this, because obviously it's looking absolutely amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's look at HNT. But did you guys take that setup for obvious there? Look how perfect this was. Look at that. We remember we went live yesterday. We took a setup for ARB, a TP pretty much perfectly. So nice to check you guys. Nice to check you out. So look at that. ARB literally hit TP, bounced perfectly from that zone. Setting a long over there would have been amazing. So that was the setup yesterday. What a trade. This was at TP1 and then TP2 eventually got hit. I know on CoinW, I don't think it hit the exact TP, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, what a trade. So yeah, so that was for ARB. We have some other setups for the day though. I'm actually looking at quite a few. And then Floki yesterday, guys. I remember I gave you Floki for long because remember we were trying to hedge yesterday because there was a few coins looking good. Some coins were looking a little bit bad. So yeah, good morning. So I'm actually looking at this for Floki. If you guys want to look at this one, we actually literally just closed bullish on the 4-hour time frame. So what I want to do here is look at the daily quickly. So if we look at the daily, we can see, okay, the daily actually closed below this level, which is not a good sign. But on the 4-hour time frame, we literally just looked like it was just a fake out, right? So Floki looks good. I did enter yesterday a long for Floki as well with the low leverage, but I think that this could be a good setup. So I'm expecting price to increase today for Floki. I'm not really looking at any other coins. I haven't even looked at Bitcoin today, to be honest with you. I haven't really looked at Bitcoin. The reason why is because it just gives you a little bit of a bias for the day, right? So, you know, for Floki, this is kind of looking relatively good. You know, obviously, we do need to start breaking like these highs over here for this to actually continue to the upside. So this level here, we need to see a break of that level. If we can break that level, I'll probably enter again. But yeah, Floki looks good still for long. But yeah, that is that. Let's have a look at Bitcoin quickly. Let's run it through. Because yesterday we were speaking about that short yesterday for Bitcoin, right? I think just before I ended that live, last night, I was saying that the target for Bitcoin was pretty much exactly, literally exactly where it hit. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, you know, it kind of looks relatively good. The reason why is, you know, it's still holding the support over here. So we have a strong level sitting to the left at around about 62,850. So quite a strong level for Bitcoin. So what I want to see now is, okay, you know, we did break trend line on the 4-hour time frame. We did break trend on the daily time frame. So this possibly just could be a retracement, right? For potential sells, because we actually haven't even retested that line over there. So essentially, what I want to do now is, let me run this back. I want to get the Fibonacci from this high over here to this low over here. And yeah, we can see that there's a potential of us coming back into the zone. So technically still looking at a potential sell for Bitcoin today, until I see otherwise. But yeah, overall it still looks like it wants to come down. Obviously it's still holding support, which is a good sign, but we've lost that trend. Like this uptrend over here, we've lost it completely, right? So it's in my mind, like I'm starting to think, okay, there is a potential of a bigger reversal right now, because we've lost this trend, right? It's something to look at. So yeah, just be careful. I'm going to be staying away from longs for Bitcoin today. I just want to see how we can react here. So we also can take the fib from this low to this high over here, and we're currently sitting at that 0.618. All right. So let's see how Bitcoin can obviously, if it can hold this level over here, if we can get a rejection from this high at around about, bang, let's put it in. So this is going to be the rejection zone that I'll be looking at. If we can get rejection from here, I'll probably look to sell it at this point. But I do think that we're probably going to come up a little bit deeper today. We're going to come up a little bit deeper back up to these zones. But let's see. This is going to be a rejection zone for Bitcoin, of course. Right. So I will be looking to enter a short at 64K. So what do I like to do now is basically I like to go on the book map, because now we've analyzed Bitcoin. We kind of know where the levels are at. We've gone over, we have a level at 64K. We have a potential short at like 64,500. And then we have, some take profits a little bit lower here. So what I want to do is I want to go to the book map and see, where the liquidity is sitting, okay? So we have a little bit of sell liquidity pretty much right over here at 64K where we're looking, and then a little bit higher up at 65, but majority it's to the upside, right? The liquidity. So what I'm thinking is we're probably going to come up 64,500, 64,400, and then we could look for some sells a little back down to these lows, right? There's not even that much liquidity at these lows. So majority of the liquidity is higher. So I do think that we might see a pump a little bit before we see that dump a little bit later on. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens for Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin. So yeah, I will be looking at that, and that correlates perfectly with that sell that we're looking at a little bit higher up. Okay. So yeah, Bitcoin looking decent. Good morning, Darren. Good morning, Uncle. Good morning, Naresh, Supreme, Thomas, Lama, and Tracy. Thanks so much, guys, for being here. Let's get straight into it because I want to look for some setups, right? This coin, I remember I gave it a couple of days ago. Prime still looks good. Actually looking to hold this one. Looks good for spot. What else can we look at here? I've been trying to look at some trades throughout the morning, but nothing's really jumping out at me. There is a couple. Audi. Remember yesterday I was looking at Audi. Yeah, but the problem is, guys. So I was looking at longs for Audi yesterday, but it was only if we got that triple bottom, but we actually broke, right? So if you look at Audi right now, it's looking a little bit on the bearish side. The reason why is we have created lower lows and lower highs pretty much the whole time, and this is just looking like a retracement back up. So it's looking like Audi wants to sell off today, to be honest with you. It's looking like Audi wants to sell off today. So I'm going to be looking to short Audi throughout the day. The reason why is because we've already broken support, and this is still creating lower lows and lower highs. So there's nothing for me to jump out and be like, okay, I'm going to take a long for Audi. So I want to see how it respects this trend line over here, because that was that level that we were speaking about yesterday, right? Essentially, we wanted to see if price could obviously break through that trend, but we haven't really got that. We've just gotten respected from that zone, right? So I think Audi for today, I'd be looking to take sells for Audi just based on the current market structure. I would love to take a long for Audi, but because we lost this massive support over here, and we're starting to create these lower lows and lower highs, there's a potential for Audi to actually come down. Okay. Yeah, we jumped into Sol too quickly. Yeah, exactly. I know. I looked at that a little bit later on, and I was thinking that was probably the wrong move. Let's go back to Solana, because I'll show you guys the trade that we did take yesterday. Yeah, look at that. I mean, it's just too choppy. It was just so choppy. It hit the levels that we're looking at yesterday, even back down to 151. Sorry, 150. Yeah, 151. But yeah, to be honest with you, this is very choppy though. It kind of it's still stuck in a bit of the range. I don't really even know what to do here for Solana. So, but yeah, I do agree. I do agree with you. We did jump in a little bit early. It's just very choppy though, very very choppy. All right, so that is Solana. XRP guys, don't sleep on this one. Don't sleep on this one. And then also Eigenlayer, guys. So this got launched on most exchanges today. And yeah, did any of you guys get involved with the Eigenlayer airdrop? Yeah, so I'm probably gonna hold this. I think I don't really know why, but I'm gonna hold on. It looks decent. What's happening, Sushant? Let's have a look at Jasmine. Yeah, let's have a look at Jasmine. Let's put it up. Let's put it up. I think yeah, I've been long on Jasmine for the last couple of days. So if we look at Jasmine here, I mean, so Jasmine broke out, right? When was that? No, this is wrong. Yeah, actually. Okay, look at Jasmine. So this is important, right? Sorry, I drew my chain out wrong there. So if we look at Jasmine on the daily, I remember a couple of weeks ago we entered that that long well for spot, right? And it's looking decent still. We are still getting respected from this trend line on the daily time frame. So you can see right here, I mean, it's quite obvious we have a trend line to the upside as well, right? So this is the trend line support that we're currently looking at. And for Jasmine, yeah, let's have a look at the lower time frames. So this is something to watch out for. Still on this quite a good uptrend. Problem is we did actually break support this morning, so this could just be the start of a move that could flip bearish. But yeah, it's looking good, but it's not looking amazing, right? We would want to see price obviously close back above this point at around about 0.023 for continuation. We need to see a break of this trend line. Okay. But until then, nothing really jumping out. Nothing really jumping out. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I just want to jump into some trades. I want to see if we can get some setups. No, I didn't get Argonauts. Skip that one. Yeah, I mean, I only got $500. It was only $500. Yeah, so $500. Well, I got it like 101. I got 110, and almost $500. Is it possible for XRP to retrace to 0.5? Looks like the best entry. Yeah, let's have a look at that. Have a look at that. How about grass? Yeah, I know. I'm not too sure when grass is coming out. I know it's really, really soon, but I've literally only got 30 grass, and I've been grinding this thing. I mean, not really been grinding it. Some days I forgot about it, but I've literally only got 30. I've only got a Pepe, yeah, bull flag. Yeah, let me check that out, because basically, remember yesterday we were speaking about it, right? Yeah, here it is, right? This is that long position we gave out yesterday. It literally tapped perfectly. The target for this bull flag is going to be quite nice, looking at around about a 50% move. Got entered yesterday, right? Just pretty much retest of previous resistance. Something very, very simple. Something very, very simple. So Pepe looks good. Pepe, yeah, I mean, look how beautiful that is. Right? It's like really clean. You can't really get more perfect than that. I think this thing's in a pump. Pepe, yeah, this looks good. I'm seeing a sell setup on Sui. I have a look at Sui. There's a small setup on Sui. I've been overbought for days. Pepe and Sui looking good. Yeah, let's have a look at Sui. Yeah, I was looking at Sui, I think yesterday. There was nothing really printing. Yeah, so this is obviously that daily high. I mean, geez, like Sui is absolutely bullish, right? Have a look at this daily level. This is your 4-hour resistance as well at the top of here. very strong level. The 1 hour time frame as well. I mean, the 1 hour looks bullish. Like, I don't really see a sell just yet. Yeah, I don't really see a sell right now. I mean, there is bearish divergence in the RSI. But yeah, I mean, if you can just play to the logic, be like, okay, SWI's really overbought. It's probably going to sell off at this level, but it's just there's no like actual setup for me, unless other than just like the RSI. But I don't even trade RSI. I mean, also yeah, look at your bearish divergence. Yeah, maybe what I would wait for is like a break of this level here of the RSI, but it still looks really strong. It still looks really strong. Still looks really strong. What else do we got? We got Pepe and Shiba. Let's have a look at Pepe. Yeah, Pepe. I mean, bang. If we have a look at, let's have a look at Pepe. Yeah. So look at Pepe, guys. So basically, I was saying that this is the key level for Pepe. This is your value area high, where one of the second most traded volume sitting at that level. So on the daily time frame, you can see as long as we respect that zone, we do actually get rejected, which is something to look at. So as long as we stay below here, we could get a bit of a dump. But if we look at this on the 4 hour time frame, we can see that it's still looking really decent, right? It's still looking really decent. We have to go down to the lower time frame to actually see what's happening here. But as you can see, that we are still holding the support quite nicely. So for me to take any trade for Pepe today, I would have to wait for a break of the support. So I wouldn't really enter anything here. You kind of at a resistance. You can't really buy there, and it looks really strong. So yeah, for me, not really interested in taking any trades here for Pepe. Let's have a look at Shiba though. Let's have a look at Shiba. So for Shiba, a little bit. I mean, Shiba looks good, right? Retesting this level. Yo, Shiba came down nicely, because we took those longs around about like a 9% move, and then it literally dumped from the highs. It dumped like almost 20%. That's crazy. Okay, so for Shiba, yeah, I mean nothing really jumping out at me. 4 hour time frame says that okay, we do have to watch out for a bit of resistance sitting over here. Is that a level? Yeah, that's fine, right? So now I know that on the 4 hour time frame and even the 1 hour, we need to start breaking this level here, which would be amazing, right? If we can start breaking this high over here, and you can also see there's a bit of a trend line over here as well. Right. So for Shiba for the day, I mean, I would be looking for longs, of course. I'll be looking for longs, but I think it's good to stay a little bit on the neutral side, just wait for things to play out today. I don't want to be jumping way too early here, but essentially, if we can break above this level here, this would be a great setup. Yeah, but we need to break the trend and we need to break the previous high. But for now, can't do much. Gonna just relax. I mean, we're gonna put an alert there, but that's about it. That's about it. So yeah, looks good. Shiba looks decent. What do you think about Sui and Phantom? Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, yo. So Sui's been really, really good. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Okay, so if we look at Sui, we currently pretty much retesting that previous high. This is the sell zone for Sui. Like if we look to the left, every time we tap into the zone, we get rejected quite hard. So just be careful longing into this level. I would probably be shorting this level, to be fair, just of how like the current price action, and it's a strong resistance, right? It's a very, very strong resistance. So in order for me to take a trade here for Sui, I kind of have to just wait for a bit of a, I mean, it's a little bit choppy, right? It's a little bit choppy. It's a little bit choppy. mean, this is looking like a head and shoulders, like a double head and shoulders, pretty much. Yeah, so what I would probably wait for is we do have a bit of clean traffic back down to at least this level here. Not that clean, but there's potential for a dump if we can close below here. What is that? We're looking at around about a 2% move, nothing crazy. So SWE looks average. SWE looks quite average. Okay, let's look at Phantom. Nothing's really jumping out at me today, guys. Nothing is really jumping out. Phantom's up 7% there. Oh my god, didn't even realize that. This is absolutely wrong. That trend line. Don't know where I drew that. Okay, so if we look at Phantom, and then we look at on the daily. So if we look at the daily, I mean, this thing looks like it's just going to rip there. Obviously, we have to keep in mind that we have levels such as this level. We are coming into a really strong resistance. So what I like to do is now, I'll probably draw the range, the volume profile. Okay, so we can see that we have a level sitting around about here. So I'd probably look to short Phantom at 0.805. I think there's no ways we're going to take that level straight away. But there's a possibility for us to actually come up and tap that level. So I'll be looking to short that level back down to the value area low, something like that. This could be something, could be a nice player. Okay, this could be a nice player. So yeah, I like the setup of Phantom. Gonna wait for this. Gonna put an alert here for a little bit later on. Bang, and we're gonna be taking that. All right. So Phantom looks good for sells. Not now though. A little bit later on, right? So we have to wait for it. We have to wait for it. Yeah. So what someone says, sell hamster. Let's actually have a look at hamster. Hamster. I think he's smacked, right? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Yeah. I don't really have much hamster, but be honest with you, yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what to do. Yeah, to be fair, I think it will eventually go up. But this happens every time, right? This happens every single time with these coins, right? Every single time these coins come out, there's gonna be a sell. Everyone just sells the airdrop, right? For Eigenlayer, I think it's a little bit different because it's not really a meme coin. But for Eigenlayer, it looks really good. But like for Hamster, this always happens. This happened with WorldCoin as well. But WorldCoin it's not a meme coin. But same thing. I remember when WorldCoin came out. I actually remember this. It was last year. Yeah, same thing, right? So this is WorldCoin, right? It looks similar to Hamster where we have that massive sell-off, right? We have a massive sell-off, and then check just continuation, and then eventually. So that's when we had that massive pump, and that was when obviously in March, right, the 11th of March, when the whole market crashed. But I mean, from the lows, from like these lows to here, you're looking at like a 900%, 1,000%. So I think Hamster could do something like that. You just have to wait a couple months. So yeah, let's see. Doge 1 hour perhaps. Yeah, let's have a look at Doge. Don't know about Hamster bad airdrops, and no one who received it can sell. They received the amount way too low to sell on most exchanges. And I think who chose the wallet option already sold. Yeah, there it is. There's your answer. There it is. Yeah, I didn't really do too much with Hamster. I was a little bit too late with it, so I just did the other ones. Right, let's have a look at Doge. What's happening with Doge? What is happening with Doge? We have currently retested this daily high. Bang, that's a good news. We have retested this daily high. That's good news, which is a very, very strong level. So we know that this is your daily resistance sitting at around about 0.114. So as long as we stay above here, we should see continuation. 4 hour time frame, same thing. Looks good, looks decent. 1 hour time frame. I like out holding support over here. If we broke support, then you're fine. Not really interested. But because we're holding like this, it looks good. It looks really, really good. For the 1 hour, I don't, what I want to see is, yeah, I would love to see a break above here. So what I'll do is I'll probably put an alert here for Doge. I'll go long for Doge if you can break above this high. Okay. So I will be looking at a long for Dogecoin if we can break above this high back up to at least this level here, looking at like 7% move. But remember, this is quite a strong sell area. A lot of people do open some short positions at these zones. But if we can break these highs, then fine. We can look at a long. But until then, I'm not really interested. Just going to chill out and wait for that. But yeah, I think Dogecoin has a possibility of ripping today. Maybe. You never know. What other coins, guys? What other coins you guys looking at? Let's have a look here. Solana. Go back to Solana. Not really doing much. Let's go back to Audi. Because I wanna look at the setup for the. I want to look at this. I'm actually looking to sell Audi. Let's bring it up. I've got quite a few Audi charts. I'm not too sure which one I analyzed. I think it's this one. That's very strange. Okay, well, I'll reanalyze it. So basically for Audi, guys, you can see that on the daily, we obviously, technically, this is the level. So we broke out. We broke on the dailies. Everything's looking absolutely strong. But the problem is right now, it's the same thing. We've come into a strong resistance zone on the daily time frame. So for us to break through this straight away just doesn't make sense. We go down to the 4-hour time frame. We can see that, okay, the 4-hour time frame, we did lose trend a little bit yesterday. I think right over here, you can see that we did lose that trend. Oh my God, just literally just saw this now. This is looking so good. Yeah, I'm looking to sell Audis there just based on this fact right here. We lost this trend on the 4-hour, the 1-hour time frame as well. We pretty much respecting this 1-hour trend line. If we draw this like this, I mean, it's quite simple. Looking good for sells, to be fair. So Audi looking good. Audi looking absolutely. Can we go long on Aave now? No. Well, I'll look at Aave, but I'm actually looking to short Audi here. I like how we broke structure over here. We broke structure over here. We came back up, retested this high over here. This is looking good. Just 1 second. This is looking sick. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna wait at least for the next. Yeah. So 2 more minutes here. If we can close like this in 2 minutes, then I'm gonna take a sell for Audi. Yeah. I mean, I could be bullish on Bitcoin today, but I would still take this sell here for Audi. Looks really good. Stop loss going to be just above this high over here, and then your take profit's going to be at this demand zone. This level here. So this is going to be the setup. Okay, so we're going to wait 1 minute here. So 1 more minute, guys. I'm going to take a sell for Audi. HNC Nero, I'll go over that. XRP, we've gone over XRP for pretty much whole video. Can I long Aave now? I'll have a look at that. Let's just wait. Well, let me run through it quickly. Let's go through Aave quickly, just so you can check it out. I think Aave looks bullish there, though. There was, yeah. I mean, you remember yesterday we were talking about this level here. We were saying that this is a possible for a potential bounce from this level, or we can get a reversal. I am looking at a potential move back down to here. Like, I mean, that would be amazing. But can you long Aave now? No, you can't. I don't think. It's just we've pretty much already pumped back up to resistance. We kind of chilling back up resistance. Yeah, you can't take a long into the zone. It doesn't make sense. So I'd wait for price to come back down over here and maybe look for a long, but just not really interested right now. Not interested. Okay. Let's go back to Audi because we want to take that setup for Audi. I'm not in it just yet. Just waiting for it, right? Just waiting for the 30 minutes to close, yeah, and then we'll be in. Then we'll be in for a setup. Let's see what happens. But nothing really else is like jumping out of me today, guys. It's literally there's just nothing really to do. Everything's kind of just chilling today. I think XRP, like for me, I'm always long on XRP. I've been, I'll just put like a 5x long on XRP and I just hold it because I think XRP is gonna pump hard, guys. I think XRP is gonna pump hard. What leverage would you use for Audi? Yeah, so well, let's work it out, right? So the main thing is to check how big our stop loss is. So our stop loss is sitting at 2%. So I'd probably do like a 5x on this trade because our stop loss is quite big, right? Yeah. So yeah, well, let's see. Let's see. So we had the 30-minute close. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna enter this trade. I'm gonna enter this trade at the current price right now. Okay, so I'm gonna enter now, guys. I'm gonna enter sell for Audi at the current price. And yeah, I'm expecting price to come back down to the zone. We've come back up. This is a level that obviously there's a potential level here. Okay, so this is something that I mean, it's not the best setup to be fair, but it is a good setup. We've lost trend. We came up, retested this level. There's a potential for us to come back down to full this range. Okay, so it's quite a nice range. We're looking at like a 5% move. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if this can play out. But yeah, low leverage, guys, for this coin. Stop loss is quite big, right? Quite a big stop loss. But yeah, what else can we look at? Dogecoin looks good though. I will be looking to long Doge as well a little bit later on if we can break that high. So remember, like I said, guys, it's the same thing as yesterday, where we want to be trading coins that I mean, you can look at this. It just gives you everything, right? It gives you pretty much everything to know. You can see that some coins are down 5%, some coins are up 5%, some coins are down 2%, some coins are up 2%. So you can kind of choose which coins you want to go with today. You don't have to long everything or sell everything, so you can pretty much do what you want, which is quite nice. You know what I mean, though. I'm not saying because normally what will happen is you'll get like a massive green day. Like we look at the month, but obviously we have to look at the day because we're day trading. But you can see that a lot of coins are down, a lot of coins are up. So you can do a bit of a hedge trading today, where you can long one coin and short another coin, something like that. All right. Can you take Aave? Yeah, sure. So yeah, like we spoke about Aave just now. Yeah, what I want to see is, we pretty much stuck right now for Aave on the higher time frames. I mean, it's quite obvious that this level here, it's quite a strong zone, right? It's quite a strong zone. We need to break through this level. If we can break through this level for Aave, then cool, we can take that long. But like until then, we can't really do much. Can't really do much until Aave actually like starts closing above this level. So above this green line over here. I'm not really interested in that. Not really interested. So just currently shorting Audi right now. This is going to be the setup for the live. So let's see if this can play out. I'm not going to look at too many other coins for the live today. I think we're just going to chill out and see if Audi can play out. Nothing really else jumping out at me today. If you guys can just keep naming coins, the more coins you name, the more I can go over and potentially the more setups we can get, right? So Aave is just crazy. I was looking at that long, didn't really get it. It's a bit of a strange one. We did come back and retest the support over here, and we pretty much back in the range in terms of the daily time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, it's looking like it's lost a level. It's looking bearish to me. You know, it's not looking good. It's not looking too good. I don't like how we broke the support. If we hold the support, then fine. I'd be like, okay, RBA is gonna rip. But I mean, ADA is gonna rip. But I feel like some coins are just losing structure now, which is not a good sign. Which is not a good sign. Oh, Shirley, you had a long this morning. Nice, nice, nice. Sick. Yeah, so if you guys did just join, welcome, guys. We are shorting Audi, pretty much still at break even. We are shorting Audi back down to the zone. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel, guys. We got quite a few people in here. If we can get those likes up, let's see where we are. Yeah, I mean, if we can get those, get it up to around about 20 likes, that'll be amazing. I also do like this. I do like my own videos just for extra likes. Okay, so Audi looks good. Audi looks good. Let's have a look at HNT. I saw HNT kind of pumps there. Helium's been doing really well, to be fair. Bang. Let's have a look here. I mean, ooh, HNT pretty much at all time. Oh no, never mind. Let's have a look at the weekly. The weekly looks good. Daily time frame. I mean, we're about to break those highs, right? We're about to break those highs. So if we look over here, bang. Okay, so this level here for HNT looks decent. You know, we need to obviously break that level. But we do have a little bit of a higher level here as well. So I think, yeah, I mean, holding helium is a good one. You know, would I buy over here? Probably not. We're coming into a strong resistance level. But it looks decent. Looks decent. For futures trading, I mean, it's already a little bit overextended for me. Can't really do much here. Yeah, can't really do much. TP for Audi, what's TP for Audi? It's 36.7. Let's have a look. No, so the TP for Audi is going to be at 36.78. Yeah. So what I'm going to do for this setup, okay? So basically, what I'm going to do here is we see that, okay, there's a bit of a, let's have a look here. So what I want to do, I want to try find my TP levels, right? Let's pull this up. I want to see where the volume is sitting at right now. Where are we sitting? Okay. So, look how beautiful this is. Okay. So you can see how beautiful what I just did now, right? Is I pulled the volume profile from this level from the start of the move to the end of the move, and have a look at where the point of control is. The point of control is literally where we want to be shorting, right? And that's a good sign. It means if we're rejecting from the point of control, then there's a possibility of us actually getting rejected quite hard, because this is where a lot of people are selling and also buying, right? But because we're getting rejected, there's a more probability of it actually coming down, right? So the first TP is going to be at around about this level here, which is your value area low. So you're sitting at 38.02. And then anywhere in this box over here, you know, 36.97. There's not going to be exact TP for this, just monitor it. But yeah, within this zone would be great. So 2 TP levels right over here. I'll put them out. So 38.02. And then anywhere in this green box. It doesn't have to be 36.78, but I mean, that's, so you can say 36.78 to 36.97, 36.97. All right, so that's going to be for Audi, right? Okay. What's the difference between the blue and the yellow bar and volume profile? Oh yeah, so that's a good question. That is a good question. So basically, we're going to pull the volume profile up again. So how I like to do it is from the start of the move. So the start of the move was here to the end of the move, right? Basically, so are you talking about? Are you just? It's just your volume, right? It's nothing crazy. Like essentially, all you need to know for for volume profile is basically you just need to know that this is where the most volume has been traded. You don't really have to know what this means. Obviously, you can see that the higher volume is sitting over here. and then we have a bit of volume over here, but it's lower than this level. So what normally happens is we normally see price get rejected from these levels or respect these levels. So you can see over here how many times price chilled over here. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, around about 15 to 16 hours, audio was chilling above this level, right? Or chilling, respecting this level and, getting rejected, right? So same thing with here, right? Same thing, rejected from this level, respected, rejected, and then now rejected, right? So what I like to do is like to just use it for giving me values of interest, right? So the next level of interest will be here. And you can see that it's a valid level, right? We have, you can see that whenever we break above here, we tend to go up, right? So if we can start breaking below here, this is most probably just going to come back down. Okay. So already looks good for sales. I mean, like I said, guys, some point, I think a lot of people when they start trading, they get into crypto and then they're seeing a coin start to rip, start to pump, and then they're like, oh, I'm just going to long this other coin. You can't do that anymore. I feel like nowadays you have to look at it, which I actually prefer, right? Because you can look at a coin and be like, oh, this coin's looking bearish, and then you look at another coin, and it's looking bullish, right? It's quite nice. It's like trading forex again, because most of the time where I used to long the whole day, right, for most coins. Just I would only do long for the day. But with the current situation on the market, you can kind of short and long pretty much within the same day, and you could be in profit on both. So is XRP good for a long day? Let's have a look. But yeah, Audi looks sick. Audi looks sick. Sorry, bro. I was cut off by my network. I want to know the TP for Audi. Yeah, so TP for Audi, TP1's at 38.02, and then TP2's at 36.78 to 36.97 within that zone. All right. All right. So that is Audi. We have entered this trade, guys. Badger USDT long possibility. I don't know. Let's have a look. I think Audi's in a dump here. Looks good. Badger USDT. Let's pull this up. Let's pull this up. I mean, average, not really. Sorry, I didn't mean to say it like that. But yeah, I do think that we're sort of respecting this level here. That's a good sign. We're still currently in an uptrend. Yeah, and I like how we created a double bottom over here. So that's a good sign, right? This is a beautiful sign for Badger. Reason why is if we lost this level, then that would have been like, okay, structure is starting to change. But because we sort of respecting this level, it still looks good for Badger, right? So possibility for long could be in the cards. Yeah, it looks decent. I mean, as long as you can see, as long as we hold this level, looks fine. Yeah, I think we might come back down, retest this level, something like that. And then what I'd look at is a little bit later on, we'll probably get like a breakout trade. We're still forming candles right now for Badger, but we'll probably get a breakout trade, something like that, a little bit later on. So I think you can just sit in your hands for now. For Badger, it's kind of just chilling in like a mid range. So I'd probably just wait. There's quite a lot of support sitting at this zone over here. Have a look here. I mean, it's quite a strong level. So just be careful longing into this level. But what I'd wait for, I'd just wait for price to at least like retest this trend out again and maybe come up and break this trend over here. And then I'll look for that long. Okay. But yeah, I think I see what you're saying. I think I see what you're saying. So yeah, it looks good, looks decent. Oh, Audi starting to dump here. Okay, so guys, if you did just join, we are shorting Audi. We're shorting Audi back down to these lows. Let's see if this can play out. It's the only setup that I could really look at today. Everything else is a little bit choppy. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, we go live every single day. We trade every single day live. We've been killing it lately with the signals on the channel. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That would honestly mean a lot. And yeah, let's see if we can get this TP within the live stream set. Let's see if we can push down. Let's see if we can push down here. XRP, is XRP good for a trade today? Like I said, I think XRP is always you always just want to be long on XRP. That's not financial advice or anything. It's just, to be honest with you. Oh, here we go. This thing's about to drip. This thing's about to dump. XRP. Let's put it up quickly. So I think that let's go back to the monthly, right? This is the main point of the video, right? Is this $2 rip, right? So I think longing XRP for on like a 5x leverage, literally, like if you just scale, so if you buy XRP long 5x and you long tomorrow 5x, or just dollar cost average your entry, I think you're going to be cruising, right? Because this thing is about to break out, and I don't see it breaking these lows. I mean, XRP is only going to go upwards, and I honestly don't see it breaking these lows. So yeah, I think just longing XRP 5x leverage, you should be chilled, So just that's what I'm going to be doing the next couple of days, just setting up longs for XRP. I think it's going to rip. I honestly think it's going to rip. Once this is on the monthly, guys, we're breaking the monthly trend, which is insane. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Oh, Audie's dumping. There we go. Bang. All right. So let's see if we can break these lows over here. Should be good. Bang, we're up quite a bit, yeah. All right. So yeah, I like the setup. This was the only trade. This is why we have to take TP1 over here, because this is your value area high. Sorry, value area low. We're probably going to see a reaction there. Right. Yeah, so if you guys are new to the channel, yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and like. That would be amazing. We do go live every single day. We do only trade. Obviously some days I'll speak about different news events and stuff, but mainly we take setups. I think every single session we have at least taken one setup. Sometimes we take more than one, but it honestly depends on the current market, right? So like if we have a look at today, there's a bit of news a little bit later on, jobs, nothing too crazy. Tomorrow we have non-farm employment change, unemployment claims on Thursday, and then on Friday we have NFP. So yeah, this week's kind of crazy. NFP on Friday, that's me crazy. I'll definitely go live for that. So yeah, but yeah, just Audi right now, short for Audi. This is the only setup that we currently have. Right. But yeah, if you guys have any other coins, yeah, I think is XRP, to answer your question for XRP, I think longing XRP within this month is definitely going to be the player, just based on fundamentals. And there's also a lot of news coming out for XRP within the next couple of weeks. So I think XRP can pump 200% easily in a day. ENS, let's have a look at ENS. Let's have a look at ENS. Possibly. I mean, we're shorting Audi, so possibly. Yeah, same thing with ENS, right? Making lower lows, lower highs. This just looks like an invalidation. Yeah, I like what you're looking at here. Yeah. This looks sick. This looks good. I like how we couldn't break this level over here. This was obviously the level that you need to break in order for this to continue to upside, because this is pretty much your most recent high, and also your level of where people are starting to short, right? So you can see that we try to tap into the zone multiple times, and we just couldn't really break through it, right? And now we're starting to create a bit of a structure that is looking like it wants to just fill this range, right? It looks good. I see what you're looking at here. Something like that, right? Yeah, so if you're looking at a short for ENS, I'd probably just put stop loss just above these highs over here, and then your TPs would be at these lows, something like this, right? Looks decent. Not as sick as the Audi setup though, but it does look decent. Does look decent. Long and people just broken out short-term uptrend. I'm 30% problem. Not sure whether to cut the trade. Thoughts, please. Yeah, let's have a look at people. Like I said, guys, some coins might rip there, so don't stress. Just because I'm shorting, it doesn't matter, right? It's all about what's happening over here, and you can see that some coins are going to be bullish there, some coins will be bearish. So if we'll go over people, but just because I'm shorting, it doesn't mean anything, right? But let's have a look here for people. We are coming into a strong resistance, so just be careful here. Just be careful here. So people coming into, don't know when I drew that, but let's pull this out. People coming into a very, very strong resistance. So just be careful over here. Obviously if we can break out of this resistance, that would be sick. That would be cool. But I don't think that's going to be the case. Maybe we obviously had that breakout a couple of days ago. We are currently retesting these highs. The 4-hour time frame is telling me that okay, this level is too strong. Honestly, this is a strong level. So what I would do for you, I'll probably take some profits at this level, and then just go break even. There's no harm in doing that, because this thing could rip today. Because if we do break this daily high, this thing's gonna pump quite hard. So I'll probably take a little bit of profits out. Yeah. Yeah. So I think yeah, we added daily resistance, so it's a level where a lot of people would take profits, but just secure something and then just go break even or something like that. You don't need to, just in case this thing pumps hard, you can just go break even. Sometimes you get a trade and it just rips. What else are we looking at? Just Audi right now. Just Audi. Okay. Nothing really else is jumping out at me. Sundog. Yeah, I've still got some Sundog. What's happening with Sundog? I'm gonna put it up. Let's put it up. Let's pull it up. Yeah, it looks sick. Sundog still looks sick. It's still holding levels. So when was this? Oh my god. When was that? I think that was a bit of a scam. Yeah, no, that's nothing. That's nothing. I mean, that's yeah. Okay, yeah, but for Sundog, basically, yeah, it looks good still. I mean, everything looks fine. Obviously, we have this high we need to obviously take out now. But yeah, I think accumulating within these levels, I think Sundog's going to do well in the bull run. So yeah, I think once you break this high, it looks good. We entered over here last month on the breakout. So I'm not really looking to sell this anytime soon. Maybe like 1 billion, something like that. Can you check out a short term setup for Floki? Check the wallet. Can you check TRX? What do you mean check the wallet? Yeah, I mean, I think it's sick. I think it looks sick. For Floki. Sorry, for Sundog. Let's go back. So we are shorting Audi. Let's have a look at Floki. Yeah, so if we pull up Floki, so this was that setup yesterday that I gave. Still long on Floki. It looks average, not amazing. The reason why is because we did actually break support. We didn't actually respect it, but so yeah, for the day, I mean, it's quite obvious. There's a trend line over here for Floki. Right over here, we're gonna have to break above that level for continuation. So I'll be watching that closely for the day. But yeah, for now, not really interested in. I mean, I'm still long here. I put a 5x leverage for Floki, but yeah, it's looking like it kind of wants to just come down. Yeah, but for shorting, I would have to wait for price to break this low, which is where I've got my stop loss. So yeah, not really interested. But yeah, looks average. Looks, I mean, I think longing's the better way there. So just audio, guys. I mean, we don't want to overextend. Sometimes we'll take a couple more trades. Sometimes we'll take one trade. Today it's just gonna be one. The other day our 5x a sheep trade. Thank you. Nice, yeah. That was a sick trade. Sheep pumped like 10% that day. I put a 20x on that one, got like 200% or something. But yeah, looks good. I mean, this is a nice closure for Audi. We just need 4 more minutes here. 4 more minutes here, and then we sort it. That'll be a good close. That'll be a good close. So let's see. Yeah, close sheep above TP. Nice. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I didn't expect it to pump so hard that day. You know, it was just the setup looked good. And it just took a little bit. It took a while actually to get going. I remember I was waiting for that pump in the live stream, and then it just didn't really give. So then I ended the live because I didn't want to sit in the live the whole day. You know. Yeah. But yeah, let's see if we can close TP here with Audi. I mean, looks decent. Yeah, it still looks good. I'll probably hold this the whole day. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So I'm just gonna leave this on for a little bit. I'm not gonna look at anything else. I'm gonna play some music in the background, and I'm gonna go get some lunch. But yeah, I'm gonna play some music. I do appreciate you guys watching. I'll come join a little bit later. I just want to go eat, get some lunch, but let's see if this can play out. I'll leave everything on the stream.
没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，期望对手像是比赛。你迈呼，迈呼，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待 ，OK 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。你迈呼，迈呼，我 hold me sweat from Dubai。莫妮卡不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅，有时莫名其妙落寞。得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow 我不当骗你的狗，迈步迈步，起哄地手像是比赛，迈呼迈呼，这里不能没有你在，迈步迈步，今晚 party 不要离开，迈呼迈呼 ，hold me sweat from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有时无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又三自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏性，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。迈步迈步，起哄地手像是比赛，迈呼迈呼，这里不能没有你在，迈步迈步，今晚 party 不要离开，迈呼迈呼 ，hold me sweat from Dubai。起哄地手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步迈步，期望对手像是比赛。迈呼迈呼，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待 ，OK 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。迈呼迈呼，我 hold me sweat from Dubai。莫妮卡不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅，有时莫名其妙落寞。得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦， 明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一个流星划过，月光在楼顶洒落。你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，紧紧把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你点你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步。马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，赢马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。赢马虎马虎，homie swag from 迪拜。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有手无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又算自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，赢马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。赢马虎马虎，homie swag from 迪拜。棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎，我 homie swag from 迪拜。我那个不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一个流星划过，月光在楼顶洒落。你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，紧紧把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你点你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。赢马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。赢马虎马虎，homie swag from 迪拜。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处， 数聊胜无助，简单的有你陪我平平凡凡缝缝补补，情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，缝缝补补，辛辛苦苦，我的心清清楚楚，最后又算自己，又到夜深人静，放完假就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏性，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼，一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流，整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值，你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事 OK 你跟着手机接到张通知，漫步漫步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在，马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开，马虎马虎 ，homies right from Dubai， 棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。漫步漫步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎，我 homies right from Dubai。莫妮卡不爱坐摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说臭逼的我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow 我不当骗你的狗，马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，马这里不能没有你在，马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开，马虎马虎 ，homies right from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，聊胜无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，缝缝补补，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又算自己，又到夜深人静，放完假就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏性，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流，整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值，你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事 OK 你跟着手机接到张通知，马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在，马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开， In my hood, my hood, homies right from Dubai。起哄地上像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，起风地上像是比赛。迈步，迈步，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。迈步，迈步，我 homies right from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只比怪说我一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你舔你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。迈步，迈步。起风地上像是比赛 ，In my hood, my hood， 这里不能没有你在。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my hood, my hood，homies right from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有时无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。迈步，迈步，起风地上像是比赛。In my hood。迈步，这里不能没有你在。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my hood, my hood， homies right from Dubai。起风地上像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，起风地上像是比赛。迈步，迈步，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待 OK 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅，有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，紧紧把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow 我不当骗你的狗，马步，去红地手像是比赛，马虎，这里不能没有你在，马步，今晚 party 不要离开，马虎 ，hold me swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有时无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到掌控。马步，去红地手像是比赛，马虎，这里不能没有你在，马步，今晚 party 不要离开，马虎 ，hold me swag from Dubai， 去红地手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步，去红地手像是比赛。马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，紧紧把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去 去熟悉地球。你舔你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。In my who， my who， 这里不能没有你在。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my who，my who，hold me swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有手无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一台就是几个钟头，水吧忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。In my who。My who， 这里不能没有你在。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my who，my who，hold me swag from Dubai。棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。In my who，my who，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my who，my who， 我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，Key out 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶上落，你说臭逼的我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。In my who，my who，这里不能没有你在。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my who，my who，hold me swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有手无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一台就是几个钟头， 水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。马步马步，去红地手像是比赛。马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎，homie swag from Dubai。去红地手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步马步，去往地上像是比赛。马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎，我 homie swag from Dubai。Monica 不爱坐摩托 ，K L 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获。有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶上落。你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你舔你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步马步，去红地手像是比赛。马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎，homie swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌读书，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。马步马步，去红地手像是比赛。马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎，homie swag from Dubai。去红地手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。 没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，期望地上像是比赛。你迈呼，迈呼，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待 ，OK 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。你迈呼，迈呼，我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱坐摩托 ，K L 不爱吃火锅，有时莫名其妙落寞。得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶上落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow 我不当骗你的狗，迈步迈步，起风地上像是比赛，迈呼迈呼，这里不能没有你在，迈步迈步，今晚 party 不要离开，迈呼迈呼 ，hold me swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏性，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。迈步迈步，起风地手像是比赛，迈呼迈呼，这里不能没有你在，迈步迈步，今晚 party 不要离开，迈呼迈呼 ，hold me swag from Dubai。起风地手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步迈步，起风地上像是比赛，迈呼迈呼，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待 ，OK 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。迈呼迈呼，我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱坐摩托 ，K L 不爱吃火锅，有时莫名其妙落寞。得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦， 明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过，月光在楼顶上落。你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，紧紧把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你舔你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步。马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，赢马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。赢马虎马虎 ，Hold me swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，赢马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎 ，Hold me swag from Dubai。棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎，我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，K out 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获。有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过，月光在楼顶上落。你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，紧紧把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你舔你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。赢马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎马虎 ，Hold me swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六 聊胜无助，简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，只是无误，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦，我的心清清楚楚。最后又三自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里。举杯独上空楼，一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。漫步漫步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。你马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。你马虎马虎，homies right from Dubai。棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。漫步漫步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。你马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。你马虎马虎，我 homies right from Dubai。我那个不爱坐摩托 ，Key out 我爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获。有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶上落。你说臭，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你点你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。你马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 不要离开。你马虎马虎，homies right from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，聊胜无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，只是无误，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦，我的心清清楚楚。最后又三自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里。举杯独上空楼，一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。马步马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。你马虎马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步马步，今晚 party 题不要离开。In my hood, my hood, homies right from Dubai。棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。My who, my who，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。My who, my who， 我 homies right from Dubai。我那个不爱坐摩托 ，K L 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获。有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶上落。你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你舔你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。迈步，迈步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。In my hood, my hood， 这里不能没有你在。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my hood, my hood， homies right from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又剩自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏性，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到张通知。迈步，迈步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。In my hood， my hood， 这里不能没有你在。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。In my hood, my hood， homies right from Dubai。棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。In my hood, my hood，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打 打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅，有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛，马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎 ，hold me swag from Dubai。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，只是无无风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又三自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的收藏型，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里，举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到掌控。马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎 ，hold me swag from Dubai。棋逢敌手像是比赛，这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待。OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，我 hold me swag from Dubai。我那个不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说丑，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后 都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你点你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎，马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，马虎 ，Homie swag from 迪拜。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又三自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里。举杯独上空楼。一待就是几个钟头，雨水把忧愁冲走，只剩夜色下的风流。整条街都知道我们开音乐公司，他们说爱是往里支付宝里充值。你说我不懂人情世故，我不懂事。OK， 你跟着手机接到掌控。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎，马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，马虎 ，Homie swag from 迪拜。棋逢敌手像是比赛。这里不能没有你在。没错，不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎，马虎，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待 ，OK， 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改。我的真心千金不卖。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，马虎，我 homie swag from 迪拜。我那个不爱做摩托 ，KL 不爱吃火锅，有时莫名其妙落寞，得到有时一无所获。有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错。我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶上落。你说臭，逼得我比平时柔情得多。冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握。在丛林里头答应你，从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球。你点你的头 ，OK， 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow， 我不当骗你的狗。马步，马步，棋逢敌手像是比赛。马虎，马虎，这里不能没有你在。马步，马步，今晚 party 不要离开。马虎，马虎 ，Homie swag from 迪拜。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，六神无主。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，支支吾吾，风尘仆仆，辛辛苦苦。我的心清清楚楚，最后又三自己，又到夜深人静，吵完架就忘记，恍惚间又想你，记忆的收藏里，温暖的手掌心，霓虹的城市，你在梦境的真实里。举杯独上空楼。 一台就是几个钟头。
Yo, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Yeah, I was off for a little bit. I went for lunch, just chilled for a little bit. We back. We are back, and we are still short. If you guys aren't used to the channel, welcome, guys. We've been live for like 2 hours now. In the beginning, for the first hour, we went over why we're taking these setups today. Let me know what coins you want to look at. I know a lot of you guys must have left in the beginning, but if you guys are watching now, we're gonna go for like another 30 minutes here. See if we can catch some trades. So let me know what you guys are looking at. Let me know. Audi still looks good if you guys haven't entered this trade. Audi still looks really good. Let's have a look here. Let's pull up some other charts. So that's the Audi trade. If we have a look at Bitcoin, let's pull up Bitcoin, yeah. This coin, we were speaking about it today, guys. We were saying Pipe looks really, really good. This is more of like a swing setup. You can see how it's respecting the lows and everything like that. Looks really good still. Yeah, I think Pipe, I don't know how you say it, but it should rip. If we look at Bitcoin, same thing, right? Today, what I was saying within this morning, right? I was saying Bitcoin, we have to take out these highs. We can't, this is nothing right now for Bitcoin. We need to take out this high over here, and then okay, cool, we can maybe look for some buys. But as long as we stay below here, we're probably just going to come back down and retest these lows. Because if we do look at liquidity, we were saying that a little bit earlier, right? We were saying that liquidity is still sitting majority above us, right? There is like being honest, most of the liquidity is sitting a little bit above us. We do have some liquidity sitting at 63k, but it looks like we've really tapped those liquidity zones. So just be careful here. I wouldn't really long Bitcoin right now. There's just nothing really longable at this point. But yeah, I do like this Audi setup quite a lot. So we'll be holding this one throughout the day. What else do we got here? Aave. Yeah, so it's the same thing with Aave, right? What I was saying earlier is that Aave, we can't really take it long unless we actually break these highs, right? So what's happening, Chinaka? What's happening, man? Yeah, so we can't really take it long until we break these highs. So I'm kind of just gonna not do anything for Aave, although looking relatively good. Dogecoin, same thing with Dogecoin. Remember, I was showing you guys earlier, is that Dogecoin is still not breaking these highs. So we need to obviously close above that level. All right. GMT. If we look at GMT, yeah, it looks good. Looks decent. Like if we look at GMT on the daily, looks really, really good. How we're still holding this resistance level. We close respecting. On the 4 hour looks good. Looking like it just came back down to the bottom of the zone. GMT looks really nice for a pump today. So what I'll look at for GMT is coming back up to these highs. I mean, you're looking at a 15% move. So GMT looks good. GMT does still look nice. Yeah, so just shorting Volcoin, right? I mean, Audi, this is the only trade that like looks really good. I went over a lot of setups earlier, but nothing else really jumping out at me for today. Just currently just looking at Bitcoin, we have to obviously take out this higher. What we can do is we can look at USDT dominance, because I think this is why we saw quite a big dump yesterday. So let's see here. USDT dominance, yeah, you can see how it's still respecting that low, but it's also still respecting this high over here for USDT dominance. So basically, this is inversely proportional to Bitcoin. So if we do see a push over here, we're going to see quite a big dump for crypto. So just watch out for that. I think, USDT dominance looking quite strong for the day. All right. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone watching. If you guys are new to the channel, we go live every day. I'm going to end the stream here. Currently just shorting Audi. join the links in the description, because we will be posting setups as well. So I appreciate everyone watching. Thanks.